In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently empty a Google Cloud storage bucket. Whether you're adept at navigating the Google Cloud console or prefer using command line tools, I'll guide you through both methods to ensure a seamless experience in managing your cloud storage resources. Let's start with the Google Cloud console, which provides a user-friendly web interface to handle your storage tasks. First, you'll need to open the Cloud console and navigate to the Storage section, then click on Buckets. Once you're in the Buckets section, find the bucket you want to clear out and click to open it. You'll be directed to the Objects tab, where you'll see all the items stored in your bucket. Here, you have two options. You can either select all items at once, or use the folder checkboxes to select specific prefixes if you wish to delete contents in bulk. Once you've made your selection, click on the Delete button. A confirmation dialog will appear to reaffirm your intentions. Proceed to confirm. This process works efficiently even if your bucket holds millions of files, allowing you to manage large volumes effortlessly. The deletion action runs in the background, so you won't have to wait for it to complete to do other tasks. Additionally, you can monitor the progress via notifications within your console, keeping you up to date without having to constantly check back. If you're more comfortable with the command line, or perhaps you're dealing with even more extensive operations, the G-Cloud Storage command line utility provides a powerful alternative. You can begin by opening your terminal or command line interface and prepare to execute commands. To clear out all the objects in your bucket without deleting the bucket itself, use the appropriate G-Cloud command to delete items, ensuring the integrity of your bucket structure remains intact. On the other hand, if your objective is to wholly remove the bucket along with its contents, you'll first need to ensure that the bucket is empty, or you must command the deletion of all its contents before wiping out the bucket in its entirety. Be sure to execute the command that performs this action cautiously, verifying you're targeting the right resources to avoid unintended data loss. Both approaches outlined offer robust options for managing your Google Cloud storage resources, letting you focus on scaling and adapting your storage needs without hassle. By choosing the right method for your workflow, either through the visually intuitive console or the rapid command line tools, you'll be well equipped to handle your storage efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating the clear steps to empty a Google Cloud storage bucket. By leveraging these tools properly, you can maintain an organized and optimized cloud environment. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.